Hello lovely people, welcome back to another Temu video. So in today's video I'm going to be telling us 3 key things we can do on the Temu app to avoid the what I ordered versus what I got problem. Okay, I'm going to be showing us 3 tricks we can do on this app to avoid getting bad products. If you do these 3 things correctly, you always get the best products on Temu. Okay, so let's assume you want to buy a bag. Yes, let's just look at ladies bags and see what we have. First, you need to look at the number of items that has been sold by a seller. You already know what you want to buy on the Temu app. You search for whatever it is on the search bar, and then a list of items come up. For me, we're assuming it's ladies bag, and I'm going through everything. Let's say I want this particular design, okay? And from here, you can see 3.5 sold. I want to look at other sellers that have this design. All you need to do is you click on this option here, and then a lot of sellers, the same design sold by different sellers pop up. Just go through it. The first one is for €8 and is 412. This one right here is for €9 and is 10k sold. Of course, you have to check the 10k sold because that means there are more buyers that has bought this item and they'll leave reviews. That's really going to come in handy. That's the second thing. So check for the items, the number of the items that has been sold. The second thing is you need to read reviews. Like, do not take it for granted. Very important. You can still go through it. You'll see that other sellers, they didn't really sell much. This is another one, 4k sold, and it's for €7. So you can check out the 10k sold one. You can check out the 10k sold one and this one that is 4k sold. We also have this one for 1k sold and is €9. So just go through it, but let's check out the one for 10k first. And seems like this is the most expensive here. So let's go through the picture. You go through the picture, you like what you see, then go to the comments. Just click on item review, and you look at real pictures. The first thing I do is look at pictures, the real pictures, not the pictures on the app. Pictures that has been taken by people that has actually purchased these items. So just click on it and scroll through. And as you're looking at the pictures, you're reading comments. Like this one, the handbag. Like this one, the handbag is very cool. This person left a 5-star review. If you like what you see, I mean, this looks good, just take your time and go through all the pictures. Okay, if you like the real pictures that you see and you feel, oh, you want to go for this handbag, then take your time. I mean, there's a bad comment here, so just take your time and make sure, look at everything, the pictures in detail. Go ahead and read all the reviews. And if you don't like what you're seeing, we can check out the other one, the 4k sold. Okay, this one is for €7. Let's also see the item reviews and the item pictures. You can look at this one, and so far I've not seen any bad review here. Just take a close look, spend your time. I mean, when you're trying to order from Temu, it's not something you do in a rush. Spend your time, look at the reviews, and if you're okay with everything, I mean, compared to the first one and this one, I think I like what I'm seeing here better than the first one, and it's even cheaper. We can still check out the other seller that has 4k sold, right? Okay, I think this is the same seller. Yes, this one has 1.7 sold for €8. We can still go through it. There's even a video we can look at. So just take your time, and when you've taken your time and you like everything that you're seeing, you like the reviews, you've made up your mind on the seller, which is the first thing, the seller to go with. The second thing, reading the reviews, looking at the real life pictures. Now the third thing is for you to actually read the description, the item description, the materials is made of, so that you're not expecting, let's say you wanted to buy a ceramic plate and you see the picture feeling, oh, this is a ceramic plate, only for you to get a plastic plate. Okay, to avoid that, read the product details. just scroll down and you would see the product details and click on see all. The pattern here, solid color, material, PU, everything is written, linen description, polyester, you know, they give you everything. I feel like a plate is going to explain better what I'm trying to say. So let's search for a ceramic plate, or let's click on plates rather, because I want to explain something. So looking at this picture, you would feel, oh, this is a breakable plate, but these are plastic. Okay, this is plastic. And to confirm, just come down to the product review and you see the material here is plastic. So please make sure you always read the product details, because if you don't read the product details and you're judging just from the picture that, oh, this look good and it's ceramic because you want ceramic, and you just go off and order without reading the product review, you're going to be disappointed at the end of the day. So people do not, most people, they just, you know, make others just because they see nice pictures. Of course, this is photography. A seller is going to put out the best picture of their product to make it attractive. For you to be sure that this product is really nice and is what you want, you need to go through the reviews and read that, and also read the product details to be sure. Okay, so if you do these three things, I can assure you, you're never going to have the what I ordered versus what I got problem. You're always going to be able to get the best version of the item you want. You're not going to have any regrets. Okay, I hope this video is helpful and is going to help you out while you're searching for the next product to purchase on the Temu app. Anyway, like I always say in all my videos, I have codes you can use for free gifts, 30% off, to earn as an affiliate, and of course for exclusive deals. I'm going to be leaving all that code on the screen. All you need to do is just to search for the code on the Temu search bar, just like I'm doing. For instance, you want the code for the free gift, just search FRS 127497. Okay, and you search that, and just like that, you're offered your gifts. Of course, you know that free gifts come with qualifying orders. Okay, you're going to be offered some free gift, but then you need to spend some money to be able to actually unlock the free gift. That's just what it means. Anyway, thank you for watching to this point, and sorry if my baby made noise throughout this video. I had to do this video regardless, but he's still awake, so sorry about that. Thank you for watching, and if you have any comments, suggestions, or just let me know, we can communicate in the comment section. See you in my next video and stay blessed. Bye.